How to create transparent text effect in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome to this Photopea tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create transparent text effects. Alright, so just follow me as I show you how to do so in this video. The first step is to log in into your Photopea account and then select the project you'd like to work on. Once you selected the project you'd like to work on, you'll be brought to this editor's page where you would see the image. Alright, and then the second step is to go to the left side of the screen and then click on the type to type out the text that you'd like to make transparent. So once you type it out, just once you've selected it, tap on the page and then type it out this way. And then once you've done that, you'll see that the text has been written out clearly. And then after that, the next step is to go to the left side of the screen where you can see the filter option. Then click on this box. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, scroll down till you see soft light and then click on it that way. Now you selected soft light, you would see that the image has been lessened, that is, the opacity has been reduced in a way. And the next step is to go to the layer, that is the text layer, and then long press on Shift, then click on it this way. Once you do it, you will see that the text has been highlighted. After that, go to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a menu displaying some icons such as file, edit, image layer, etc. Then click on select. Once you click on select, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, click on inverse. And once you click on inverse, you will see that the background and the text has been selected. Once that is done, move to the right side of the screen now, the lower part of the screen where you can see some icons. And then click on the new adjustment layer. So once you click on the new adjustment layer, in the box display, select color fill and then ensure you selected white, and then after that click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you can see that the color has been changed, like that is the background has taken the color of the text, white text are taking the color of the background. And then you go over to opacity, and if the opacity is low, you can just do well to decrease it this way, all right, so that you can see the background image. So you can just keep on decreasing it and you can get a suitable color. And then once it's done, you have your text effect already. So just go to the top left corner of the screen, click on the file icon, click on export as, and then click on PNG, and after that click save, and just like that you have achieved your text effect. So this is how you can create transparent text effect on Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.